Hey there, buddy. Thomas with Breakout Trading. It is Wednesday, January 21st, and we're going to take a look here at one of the trade setups from this morning that played out really well, and that was a breakout in Intel. So you can see this is what I posted in the trading room this morning. It was at 8:30. Some of the setups we had a whole bunch more, but you can see right here, this was the Intel trade. So we were looking at 50.4 resistance on a 60-minute price chart. And if you're in the trade room, we talked about this before the market opened as well. And here's that 50.4 resistance coming across right here. You can see on the 60-minute chart, we had popped up and tagged this 4 different times previously. So what we were looking for was a breakout above 50.4. This is what we call an opening bell breakout. Ideally, these take place first thing in the morning or after the market's open, when we get that first big wave of buying or selling coming through. In this case, we got a big wave of buying coming through, and it popped Intel right through that resistance, and it just took off like a rocket all the way up to the 54 level. So you ran almost $4 on that breakout. So it played out really well. But this is an example of what we call well-defined resistance. And well-defined resistance is a horizontal support or resistance level that has been tested and rejected more than 2 times, 2 or more times. So in this case, we popped up, hit it, pulled back, popped up, hit it, pulled back, and then climbed up through that breakout level. So played out really well overall. But great job to everybody who took the trade. We had several good opportunities, including the inverted head and shoulders on the 5-minute S&P this morning, or ES this morning, I should say. Then the breakdown in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and MSTR this afternoon. We're going into the end of the room anyway. That have played out really well today. So not a bad day overall for trades. Lots of volatility. The markets are still going crazy. I mean, we had today is the largest 2-day rally in natural gas history, for example. So not a bad move. Volatility is just sky high right now across the board. So be selective, which is what we're doing here in trade room. Be careful. We're downsized a little bit. And then make sure you're taking only well-defined trades that are following your rules-based approach to trading, following your trading plan. But again, overall, not a bad day. Great job to everybody who took the Intel longs. Don't forget, if you want to join us in the trading room, just go to bctnow.com/join. There should be a link down in the description. Also, if you want some of these trades, I post a lot of these up on X as well. Just go to x.com and @tradeswithtom. I post up their setups there all the time for people to get for free. But that's it for now. See you in the trading room tomorrow. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.